and welcome. This is another Chao on Tour episode, this time in London. We are at Covent Garden and in front of this famous Monmouth Coffee Company. If you search on Google what would be the top London coffee shop, Monmouth Coffee Company will come right on top. And so there's no way I am leaving London without visiting this place. I am going to have with me Christiana to help me do the tasting. Let's take a quick look at the history of this coffee shop. It is located on pretty Monmouth Street in 7 Dials and it started way back in 1978, long before artisan coffee meant anything to most people. You probably have seen the queues winding around the corner on Saturday mornings. The staff are also meticulously trained in the different tasting notes of the beans, so they can help you find your perfect cup of coffee. But from my experience, because they are extremely busy and extremely popular, you really cannot hold up the barista's time. What's so special about their coffee beans? Well, for their pour-over, they have different types of beans every day, and the customers can select what type of beans they would like to have with their pour-over coffee. For their espresso drinks, they have their regular espresso blend, which is supposed to be a blend of chocolatey, roasted almond, and it's just the perfect balance with your milk. Hi, today we are on another Chao on Tour episode. This time we are at Monmouth Coffee, and this is supposed to be the best coffee shop here whenever you're in London. So I am going to give it a try and let you know how the coffee tastes like. They have here a list of the blends that they do, and this is just for the 19th of October, which is yesterday, or so today is the 21st. And so they have all these blends here that you can choose from, and their baristas are all well trained, and they explain to you the different tasting notes of all these coffee beans. And today, according to the manager, their blend is from El Salvador. So 1 cup of coffee here costs okay, that's £3.50 for 1 flat white. That's about $4 US. That's not a bad price. Not a bad price. It's a reasonable. Let's see the flat white Monmouth coffee and brownie. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. First sip of the flat white from Monmouth Coffee. Super nice, super smooth, quite light, I would say. But yeah, no wonder why they're a long-standing, famous coffee shop here in London. I definitely recommend it. It's an institution, so definitely come and give it a try if you're ever in London.
Well, that's all we have for today, and once again, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This is Christiana and me in London, in the UK. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.